Today we are going to learn how to add a data series in an Excel line chart. This is extremely useful when you want to compare multiple datasets, for example, comparing sales of two products over time or student performance in different subjects. Let's get started. Here I have a dataset of monthly sales of product A across the whole year. We have months from January to December and their corresponding sales value. Let's first create a simple line chart. For this purpose, I need to select this data and then I'll click on this Insert tab and I will click on this recommended chart and select this line chart and click OK. As you can see, this chart shows the trend of product A sales over time. But what if we want to compare this with another product? That's where adding a data series becomes important. Now I will add another column, sales B, which represent another product. So now we have two datasets, sales A, sales B. But notice that chart still shows only one line. Let's now add this new data series into the chart. For this purpose, I need to right click on this chart and here I will click on this select data. I will click on this add and for series name, I am going to select this sales B and for series value, I will select all these values of the sales B. After this, I will click on OK and again OK. Now you can see a second line added to the chart. This represents sales B. There is also a faster way to do this. I am going to press Ctrl Z to revert changes. As per the second method, I will click on this chart and this will highlight the selected data, and if I go to the bottom right corner, I can drag this to include the B sale as well. So this will represent both sales A and sales B in my line chart. To make your chart more clearer and professional, you can do some basic formatting, such as we can click on this plus icon right next to our chart and check this chart title to include the chart title, and I will also click on this legend to include the legend. I will position them on the top. I will drag the legend to the right and I will click on this chart title to amend this chart title to Sales Record 2025. I can also click on this chart design and here we have different preset designs included in the Microsoft Excel. So we can select any chart design as per our need. I will delete these lines. Now the formatting makes it easier to compare both datasets visually. And always remember, a single line shows a trend, but multiple lines allow comparison, which is essential for analysis. One common mistake is selecting incorrect data range. If your data is not aligned properly, Excel may not add the series correctly. So always double check your selection. That's it for today. Now you know how to add and manage multiple data series in an Excel line chart. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.